This video will explore natural resources, including their types and how people view and use them. At the end of this video, we will be able to describe the types of natural resources and how people view and use them. We can identify resources as things useful to people that fulfill needs and enhance well-being. Remember that the value of a resource can change over time. Salt, for instance, used to be essential for human health and food preservation. Conversely, fossil fuels weren't resources in the Stone Age, as methods to use them hadn't been invented. Culture and technology are factors that determine the value of different materials as resources. A resource useful to one community may not be useful to another. Culture, a way of life shared by a group of people, influences what is valued. Examples of resources include wood, cement, steel, brick, electricity, and gas. For a villager, firewood is an important resource, since they are surrounded by trees. A city dweller, however, might not view it the same way, as they may lack time or means to chop wood. Technology also impacts resource valuation. Consider the differences between traditional methods, such as using water buffaloes and sickles, versus modern technology like tractors, harvesters, and computers. Natural resources are useful materials found naturally in the physical environment. They are typically classified into two categories. Renewable resources are replenished naturally within a similar time frame as their use. Non-renewable resources are replenished very slowly, if at all, over periods that exceed human use. The main criteria is the rate of replenishment. People's views on resources affect their use. Different stakeholders have unique interests, needs, and priorities, leading to varying perspectives on resource utilization. The human-centered view focuses on obtaining materials for human use and benefit, which can lead to extraction faster than natural renewal. The nature-centered view values the environment inherently, seeking preservation and minimal use. While we need resources, we must strike a balance between human and nature-centered views to ensure the sustainable use of natural resources. Sustainable use of resources refers to actions taken to ensure resources remain available for future generations. Note that renewable resources can become non-renewable if the rate of use exceeds the rate of replenishment. We can encourage conservation through the 4 rupees: reduce consumption and waste, reuse products, recycle used materials, and recover useful materials from waste. This results in a smaller environmental footprint. We can also use resources sustainably by developing technology to increase efficiency, discover new resources, and find new uses for known resources, such as in green buildings or through recycling materials like aluminum. Refer to the provided materials to describe the changes in crude oil prices between January and early March.